the Porsche GT3RS. Power, performance, prestige, and a problem. Big is boring. Here's the plan. We're stripping the most powerful electric dirt bike ever made, my Stark Varg, down to its motor and battery, swapping that insane 80 horsepower into my full suspension bat kart. Then we'll put the Porsche shell on top. Caesar from LA E-Rides, now known as ERLA, is stripping the back cart and test fitting the Stark motor and battery, which fit surprisingly well. RidePro sponsored suspension for this project. The rear shocks aren't quite long enough, but the RidePro mini shocks are perfect to upgrade the Razor shocks up front. The cart now has upgraded RidePro front suspension, which we will need to handle all the extra speed and power. Pulling up in this 1 of 5 red Toyota Supra is Venny. He brought his welder and wisdom to help build this beast. Venny's cutting up 2 beams of steel to mount the motor, welding them perfectly parallel to meet up with the motor's mounting points. I'm upgrading the rear brake of the cart with this larger Brembo brake right off my Stark Varg. It doesn't clear the sprocket bolts, but those grind down easily to clear the larger brake. I'm removing the wheels and unboxing these new wheels, which don't fit the front, but they do fit the rear. If I don't get 2 of the right wheel adapters overnight, this whole cart is unrideable. Look at the tires, and we don't have much time. Drilling the motor mounts, we realize another huge issue. The front and rear sprockets don't take the same chain. The motor sprocket is proprietary, so we need a new rear sprocket overnight as well. I miraculously managed to get the wheel adapters on Facebook Marketplace, and the guy included extra goodies like a hollow point and an inflatable airman. It's the next morning. Venny is here early to weld on the rear Brembo brake and test the color of our exposed water cooling system. Neon blood is the color I'm going for. Caesar noticed slop in the front arm that he's fixing with an upgraded axle rod and custom spacers that leave no room to mess around. It's one thing to add power, it's another thing to handle it. We're removing the rear assembly to weld on the motor mounts when Jonathan from Kartaros pulled up to save the day with a custom CMD rear sprocket made exactly to the measurements I sent him last night. This is the largest sprocket I've ever run, and this build could not have happened in time without Jonathan from Kartaros and CMD. The motor is attached and ready to be aligned. Venny is cooking up beautiful mounts for the motor, while I go off on a mission to find a nice Porsche steering wheel for under $1,000. I found this insane carbon fiber GT3 steering wheel with red stitching, but it needs some serious cutting to mount onto the cart, and that's causing a small fire around the armed airbag. But don't worry, we're being careful. The quick release adapter fits under the main support where we're drilling it directly into the airbag, then drilling the airbag to the main support because the two won't weld. Now we have a real Porsche steering wheel on a quick release, and it looks so good. Venny's welding the rear battery mount, doing the most he can with the limited time we have, while Caesar cuts and fabs the tabs, which need more cutting, welding, and drilling to perfectly mount the 70-pound battery. Look how centered and balanced it all looks. But Venny isn't done cooking up with some beautiful motor mounts, using triangulation for the most strength with the least material. It's the next day. He's back in the Chevy truck, ready to fix the slop in the rear. The two halves come apart like a Bugatti, where we can appreciate the entire powertrain of the machine and make sure everything spins, clears, and aligns perfectly before the final mount, where Venny is adding additional triangular support to the motor and battery. Caesar's fabbing spacers that will be welded in the rear to fill the slop before cutting the original tabs and replacing them with our own reinforced tabs. The Stark Varg is picky with its throttle, so we have to get creative. I found some old Razor throttles in my garage that Caesar will use to connect the Stark throttle to the new foot throttle the old-fashioned way. This 10mm socket fits perfectly as a mount, and this socket will work great to guide the cable, because after some drilling and welding, this is how the cart's throttle will work. Amazing. We just need one big screw to stop the pedal at exactly full throttle. Grease is going in every crack and crevice that moves. All of the harness and 12-volt system is being cleared. And at this point, we are seriously close to being finished. Just the charge port, the rear brake needs to be connected and bled. And the part that I've been most excited about, the water cooling. I got this 1-inch clear tubing which delivers coolant between the water pump, the radiator, and the Stark Varg motor. The red looks insanely cool, but it's impossible to fill the system without massive air pockets. We're finally ready to turn it all on, but we're faced with the red light of death. Caesar had extended the entire harness, and he's concerned a connection is weak. But after checking every connection, the light is still red. We're checking every connector pin and Caesar's resoldering several wires, but still a red light. It is 5 a.m. in the morning, and if we don't finish this build today, I'm gonna miss my first video upload in 5 years. We're ready to strip the powertrain off my other Stark Varg, concerned we may have shot the battery with the welding current going through the frame over the last few days, while Caesar meticulously scrapes the coating off every wire he already soldered, hoping the factory coating may have messed with the connections. That's for dozens of connections. It's now 6:30 in the morning. If this doesn't work, we just wasted 4 hours of troubleshooting and the video's over. The room is silent.
Oh, yeah. Yes!
Blood rushes through the veins of this awakened monster. Caesar's driving home as the sun rises, and now just a couple hours later, I'm heading downtown. In reverse mode, the motor locks your position, so it's actually easier to load backwards without worrying about rolling back down. Barely fits in the truck, but neither can my excitement. Got the Porsche out of the truck. Got Jimbo Slice. Yeah! The throttle right here. I can't wait to see this twist while I'm hitting the gas. I'm gonna turn it on here. That's gonna turn on the water pump. You can see it coming through. So sick. Oy. This is the test run. I have no idea if anything's gonna work. It's the first ride. We finished it at 6:30 a.m. I slept for 3 hours and now we're downtown. All right, let's get after it. We're in mode 1. This is 30 horsepower, Stark Varg powered mini Porsche. I was afraid this steering wheel would be too big, but I actually have a ton of space for my legs. It just looks so good and it feels so good. Yeah, we're gonna go right. I'm turning it up into 40 horsepower. Whoa! That's half power. The phone's beeping. The Stark phone is yelling at me. What are you yelling about? Oh, it's not yelling anymore. This feels so much more stable than it's ever felt. It used to feel like if you were driving in a straight line, it would want to throw you out of the lane. This is staying centered. Man, this is f***ing ridiculous that I'm riding this in the street right now. No f***ing way we did this. In 4 days in a garage with no plan, no instructions. I'm so proud of the team.
Is everything okay?
Amazing. Literally, did you see me drift?
I wish I would have caught that. I wish my...
You're good. Everything about this project was a huge challenge. From the throttle, to the steering wheel, to the sprocket, the wheels. Of course, mounting the motor and the battery is challenging. And then after days and days of overcoming problem after problem, by the time we plug it all together, it didn't turn on. The bigger wheels make a huge difference, eating up the bumps. I mean, that's also the front shocks, of course. And I've got the regen super high, so I don't need to rely on the brakes too much. It sounds so cool. Wait, it keeps going forward. Oh my god. I could twist this to go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. They'll never show anybody that.
Yeah, don't touch it. I feel the most illegal I've ever felt riding in the street. This is barely even a go-kart anymore. This is just like a mini car. I'm afraid if I get in trouble riding this, they're gonna get me with everything. No insurance, no registration. That's if they can catch me. Oh! Oh my god!
Whoa.
We're out! Downtown! Mini Porsche! With the Stark powertrain! Get out of my way! Woo! This is only mode 2! 40 horsepower! Let's go into mode 3. This is going to be 50 horsepower. Holy sh**. Okay. Wow. The power's not the problem. It's going to be anything else, like the steering, the braking. I bet I can break a ton of traction right here on the green. Whoa! Oh my gosh.
so comfortable. It's going over all the bumps. The other Porsche, no suspension. Super uncomfortable to ride. Something's beeping at me. I can't get the phone out of my pocket. Okay, it keeps yelling at me, and then I pull the phone out, it doesn't say anything. I think it's the water cooler. Slow ass car. Get out of my way, baby! Oh, watch out! The front brake is only working on the left front wheel, so when I brake, it makes me go to the side. It's yelling at me again. Get out of here. I'm just gonna hold the phone because every time it beeps, I don't get to see it. Oh shit, the understeer is crazy. I wanted to do a U-turn. Yeah, that's a huge thing I'm noticing is the understeering. Uh-oh. Can I lane split in this? Hee. Dude! What the f? What the f?
What was your top
speed? I don't know. This wouldn't be accurate anyway. It's so fun. It's the amount of power it should have always been. With the big wheels, proper suspension.
Like the tires and stuff?
Yeah, I really like the tires.
I feel like a lot more cushiony. It looks
Super cushy. Yeah. It's like a car. Oh no! That's the chain.
Honestly, bro.
Oh, you know what, dude? It didn't even break. It just came off. It just came off. Let's go. That's the best thing ever. I can keep riding. Chain on. We're back, dude. We're back. Let's go. Ooh, my hands are greasy. I'm gonna go into reverse here, holding down the back button. Backing up. We're back. I was so sad for a second. I'm having too much fun to stop. Oh shit. Oh shit. No, the chain popped off. Got it. All right, we're out. We're out. What's the f***ing piss? Just turn. Just move around, you f***ing... No! That's so annoying. It doesn't want to drift without popping the chain. I'm gonna have to take the front sprocket off my other Stark. Do a new chain. You see it popped off. Damn! It broke. And what's this yelling at me for? Water pump error. Hold for 3 seconds to dismiss. All right. Damn, I was having so much fun. And I'll come back with the truck. I'm just hoping it didn't mess the axle of the motor and it's just the sprocket that got bent. Yeah. Hey, hey, do it. Oh. Well, it feels so weird being back on a bike. I'm in kart mode right now. Oh, I dropped my phone. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. As far as I can go. And one thing.
No, that's...
Oh, those are the pads! Those are the f***ing pads! Don't fist bump me for that. That doesn't deserve a fist bump.
That's how fast you were going.
Oh my God, the pads are all the way out. You know what? I needed new pads though. There's only a sliver left. Wait, thank God the chain popped off. Otherwise, I would have been driving with no rear brake. Okay, hey, hold up. Don't use the steering wheel to push. Don't use the spoiler. Let me do it. You don't even do it. You know. Thank you, though. I really appreciate you, Jim. You're the f***ing man.
4 bike cops
No way.
came riding by, and they didn't see me because he was behind there.
Good. All I know. It's like a 400-pound cart, at least. All right, hold that handbrake for me. Yeah, pull that. Keep holding. Oh, there's no brake. I forgot. You can let go of it. I forgot there's no brake. Okay, hold on. Yes. Okay, stop. It's crushing me. Thank you so much. No way I could have done that without you guys. Thank you. I'd give you a high five, but my hands are dirty. Yeah, totally. Are you trying to buy it?
Yeah.
What are you offering for it?
That's all I got, man.
Oh, that's a solid $1 right there.
No, that's all I got. Want it?
That's all you, bro. I appreciate you, man.
Can I ride it?
No, don't touch it.
Bro, thank you, man.
Hey, don't touch it. Hey, don't touch it. Go away. Go away.
Your hands are dirty, Mike.
Yee!
Mind if I get a picture?
Yeah, let's do it. Appreciate you, dude. Put a helmet on.
In this video, we put the Stark Varg into the back cart and proved the potential. I just need to fix some things and run it back on full power with the Porsche shell. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. And stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm on my